Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Courtney and I run Fashion Shy Child. So in this video, this is going to be an unboxing, and if my look looks kind of familiar, I don't know if that other video of her unboxing is going to go up before this or after this. I'm not really sure right now, but of course I'm filming in the same day unboxings. So this unboxing is of course going to be a different one. I actually received this package from Juno and Co. and I'm really excited. When it comes to beauty type of packaging and products and stuff like that, I don't receive a lot of them, to be completely honest, and it's kind of shocking, I know. But I do of course like receive some fashion ones and skincare and stuff like that. So I'm really excited to actually get this, especially for it being the new year and starting off with a company I've never tried before. Don't really know much about, but super excited. I'm kind of like really happy to share with you. And also it is a California Bay Area based company, so that makes me also really proud, since that is actually where I am from. So let's get right into it. Ooh. So right on the front it says, "Hello gorgeous." This is really cute packaging. Really cute packaging, especially for the box that say beauty products starting at $1. Now that is money saving, especially after all of the holiday type of function. Right now money saving is key. That's it. It's just key. So inside the box looks like this. So right on top there is a brochure and an envelope, and then the actual products. So let's open this brochure type of thing. It says, "Stop overpaying for makeup." And then you open it and it says, "A fusion sponge, the first microfiber sponge." And this sponge looks really nice. It looks like it has little hairs. It says, "After 10 years in the beauty industry, working at both Ipsy and Ulta Cosmetics, we saw that beauty is not only entirely personal, but incredibly overpriced." So that is nice from the founder, and they work at Ipsy, which I had a feeling. I thought this company at first, when I looked it up and stuff and saw that it, you know, was based in California and in the Bay Area, I thought, okay, is this like a partner of Ipsy? Because Ipsy's, you know, if you look on their website, if you like under jobs and stuff, they're based in the Bay Area too. So yeah, nice enough she used to work at Ipsy. So that's another thing that they have, lollipop lashes, which I'm actually really interested in. And of course, look how pretty that brush is. Okay, so let's get right into the products. So first things first is I got 2 of these micro fusion sponges. This is Juno Fusion Sponge, and it has a picture of the sponge, and it says designed in California, latex free, cruelty free. And ooh, it comes packaged like in another packaging. So let's open this up. And ooh, yeah, this one feels nice. This is what it looks like. That feels really nice. Oh my gosh. It's, you know what, I'm actually really excited to use this, because the other sponge I've tried was actually from the Dollar Tree. I don't know. I had an iffy feeling about trying beauty sponges, so that's why I went like first thing was to the Dollar Tree, and that one is kind of like, it's hard. So I'm excited to try this. I heard that you can use this wet or dry. They like sent me an email type of thing. So yeah, I'm excited for this. if you guys want a video of me testing this out, I can do that. Next thing is these brushes. So I got a lot of brushes, which I'm super excited for because New Year and stuff like that. I cleaned out all of my makeup, got rid of stuff, have stuff in these little bags over here, which I'm gonna film a video on too. And I actually went through my brushes because I need to clean them, and I wanted to get rid of like the old ones because when it comes to the New Year's, I always like get new brushes, like find new brushes to test out, give away the old ones, you know, like stuff like that. So to get a whole package of brushes, this is really exciting. Here is all of the brushes. So 3, 4, 5, 6 brushes. These brushes are super fancy. Like, look at that handle. That is a fancy brush. Oh my gosh. And it comes with one of these guard things on it, which I have to give them props for this guard thing, because when you wash brushes and you need to like let them dry and you want them to keep their shape, these guard things are everything. So make sure to keep them. So this first brush is an ESO3, and that is what it looks like. Oh my god, it's super soft. These are soft. Okay, these are softer than my e.l.f. brushes. I wonder how much this brush costs, because the e.l.f. brushes I have, you know, the black ones, those were $3 each. Oh my goodness. Ooh, this brush is really soft. Really soft. And you take the little paper thing off. The next brush is an ESO5. So this is more of an angled type of brush. Ooh. That is nice. These brushes are really nice. Next one is ESO2. Okay, this one feels more like a powder one to me. I would probably use this for powder. And then another one. This is the ESO1. This feels more like a foundation type of brush. Here's another one. This is the ESO6. And I would use this for eyeshadow. Probably more in the crease since it's not so fluffy and movable. Maybe the crease or not, or the lid. I don't know, to be completely honest, I would just use this all over the eye. It would also work great for under the eye concealer. And then the last one is in ESO4. It's a fan brush. Fan brush, you can do basically whatever you want. You can put on your highlighter with this. You can also dust away fallout.